Sure does. From growers just like me. I've been watching over this orchard for 30 years. No one has more demanding standards than Gerber. That's how they know which orchard, which field your baby's fruits and veggies come from. And what's been grown there for over a decade. I see it every day. From the field to the jar, no one bakes.
This is David Cregan. He's been on medical leave.
What's his story exactly?
I was clinically insane, but I'm all right now. They say I've lost certain faculties.
Like what?
I mean, why would I replace this? It's not broken.
Cleaning floors with a mop and bucket is a hassle, meaning you probably don't clean as often as you'd like. For a quick and convenient
Add Downy to keep your collars from stretching. Unlike detergent alone, Downy conditions to
right now.
Dude, check out what we've been working on all afternoon. Hit it, B.
Taking it.
Double dust, go.
Is zero worth nothing? Imagine zero pollutants in our environment, or zero dependency on foreign oil. This is why we at Nissan built a car inspired by zero, because zero is worth everything. The zero gas, 100% electric Nissan Leaf. Innovation for the planet, innovation for all.
My name's Rachel. This is my best friend. Dun, 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 dun,
Brilliant. That's lucky. Only Walmart has low prices every day on everything you need for Easter. Backed by our ad match guarantee. Save money. Live better. Walmart.
This season, dancing's been naughty and irresistible.
Yeah, tell me, hustle out there.
Starting Monday, we'll double